In today's video, I am going to teach you how to share a freebie via a pop-up form success page on YouTube through Mailerlite. The goal of this setup is to let your YouTube audience sign up through a pop-up form and then receive access to your freebie directly on the success page. This is useful when you want to share a downloadable file, such as a guide, checklist, template, or resource, without having to manually send it to each person. Mailerlite gives you the tools to create the form, add the download link, and place the pop-up on the website or platform where you are sending viewers. To begin, log into your Mailerlite account. Make sure you are using the correct account for the website or audience you want to connect with your YouTube content. Once you are inside the dashboard, take a moment to let the page load fully so all of the menu options are visible. You do not need to enter or share any private login details during this process. Just sign in as you normally would and land on the main Mailerlite workspace. Next, go to the Forms section. This is where Mailerlite keeps the different types of sign-up forms you can create and manage. In this area, choose the option to create a pop-up form. A pop-up form is helpful because it can appear on your website or landing page and invite visitors to enter their information before receiving the freebie. Since your YouTube audience will be directed to a specific place, this form becomes the bridge between your video and the downloadable resource. Once the pop-up form is created, open the form editor. This is where you can adjust the content, design, and behavior of the form. For this tutorial, the important area is the success message, because that is where the freebie link will be placed. The success message is what subscribers see after they complete the form. Instead of only showing a basic thank you message, you can use this space to provide the download access right away. Inside the form editor, go to Settings and locate the Success Message section. This section may appear with other form behavior settings, so look carefully through the editor panel until you find the area that controls what appears after someone submits the form. This part matters because it is the final screen your viewer sees after joining your list. A clear success message helps them understand that their sign-up worked and that the freebie is ready for them. Now add the text for your download. Keep the message simple and direct, such as letting the subscriber know that their freebie is ready and that they can click the link to access it. After adding the text, use the URL or link icon to attach your file from the File Manager. The File Manager is where your uploaded files can be selected and linked inside Mailerlite. Choose the correct file for the freebie and make sure the linked text clearly tells the subscriber what they are opening or downloading. After the success message includes the download link, the pop-up form needs to be connected to the place where your YouTube audience will visit. Mailerlite provides a generated JavaScript snippet for this purpose. Copy the generated JavaScript snippet from the form setup area. This code is what allows the pop-up form to display on your website or on the platform where the code can be installed. Finally, paste this code into the header section of your website or into the header area of the platform where you direct your YouTube audience. The header section is typically used for scripts that need to load across a page or site. Once the code is placed there, the Mailerlite pop-up can appear for visitors, and after they submit the form, they will see the success message with the freebie link. That covers everything you need to know. You have created a Mailerlite pop-up form, added a freebie link to the success message, copied the JavaScript snippet, and placed it where your YouTube audience can access it.